Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to create underline text. I will create new file and we use this example template settings. Click create. Now to create text, you can use this text tools and I will set the names into Mufasuket. You also can resize by clicking at these icons. We can resize the text objects and then move into center. Now, if you want to create underlines in this text, you can select the text object and then click at this icon. Now you can choose these tools to create underline text. If you done, you can click outside. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials how to create underline text. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.